Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and send high quality videos on Telegram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead first, access the Telegram app on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, this kind of interface gonna pop up. Right, first go ahead, search up yourself a user whom you want to share your file. So this is the user. Right now you're gonna go ahead, go to this chat box, tap on this file icon and choose yourself. Let's say this is a picture, right? And now what you're gonna do, so first tap on this three dot icon on top and see this option called send as a file. Tap on it, and now that also show that, so if you send a photo as a file, it goes as a high quality. Again, let me show you. Tap on this file icon. Now choose yourself a video. So this is the video. Tap on three dot again. You can see it also shows this little HQ letter. Tap on send as file, and now this high quality video is now sent. It will be sent in his original quality, and that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.